So how to set shuffle a photo album on your iPhone lock screen like that. For that you can do it two different way. Suppose my lock screen and press and hold, you can choose from here, or another way you can go your setting and you have to press display and then go here to add new, press on add new, and top right corner photo shuffle, you have to press on photo shuffle. So here you can see a lot of different option, people, cities, and you can set album. You can choose any album from here. Suppose I have only one album right now, favorite, so you can add album also. So you can set image manually from here. Suppose I want to set this on this on this on this on, press on it, and from here you can set the its shuffle daily, hourly, on lock, or another option, and then you have to press on, simply press on add. And then now you have to choose set as wallpaper pair or custom home screen. So I want to set as wallpaper pair, and it's add. This is how you can easily add shuffle wallpaper on your iPhone logo screen. Hope you enjoy. Thank you, and do subscribe and have a good day.